Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on the types of costs when we're talking about cost behavior. Cost behavior is the study of how costs change as volume changes. Cost behavior is a key component of most planning and operating decisions. The three most common cost behaviors are variable cost, fixed cost, and mixed costs. Variable costs are costs that incurred for every unit of volume. Total variable costs change in direct proportion to changes in volume. The per unit variable cost does not change with changes in volume. Fixed costs are costs that do not change in response to changes in volume. Total fixed costs remain the same regardless of activity level. Per unit fixed costs change with changes in activity level. Mixed costs have a variable cost element and a fixed cost element. Total mixed costs will change with changes in activity, and per unit mixed costs will also change with changes in activity. Now, all of this is prefaced with a statement that these costs only hold true within the relevant range. The relevant range is the band of volume where total fixed costs and variable costs per unit remain constant. Cost example number 1. Monthly electric bill is $25 plus 5 cents per kilowatt hour used. The question is the electric bill a fixed, variable, or mixed cost? The answer is mixed because the fixed portion is $25 and the variable portion is 5 cents per kilowatt hour used. Now for our next example. Cost of tires for a bicycle manufacturer per bike is $75. And the question is the cost of tires a fixed, variable, or mixed cost? And the answer is variable because every bicycle produced needs to have tires, so total variable costs increase as production increases. And finally, cost example number 3. Insurance cost for the building is $2,500 per year. So the question is the insurance cost a fixed, variable, or mixed cost? The answer is fixed because it will remain $2,500 per year regardless of sales volume. So we've come to the end of what we're talking about today, but I do want to say also that there are several assumptions that underline these costs, and those are out of the range and scope of this tutorial. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.